Hi, welcome to my channel. Heal Your Life with Meghlata. This is the name of my channel. Today, let's take deep dive into something very magical, a healing technique, which is very simple but very profound, very deeply transformative technique. The name of the technique is called Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono. The name may sound a little complicated. Trust me, the technique by itself is very simple. Very, very simple to use, but very profound. It transforms you magically. These are not just words, they are vibrations. These four phrases which we use in this technique are path to cleanse your inner core. These are the phrases to release your inner blocks. And these are the phrases to restore your inner peace. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, or if you are a regular visitor and not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get regular notification. Let's dive deep into the topic. Let's understand the origin of Ho'oponopono and its essence. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian technique, Hawaiian tribal technique. Ho'oponopono is traditionally used for reconciliation and forgiveness. It's used by a tribal community in Hawaii, and they use this technique for resolving conflicts within their family and within their communities. For the first time, Dr. Hewlin, a psychiatrist, learned this technique directly from these tribals, and he started using this technique in his own clinical practice. He also taught a bunch of people, and that is how it came to our world. Now, in today's world, this is used as self-healing tool where you heal the world by healing yourself first. Dr. Hewlin made this practice famous. He healed an entire ward of mentally ill patients just by repeating these phrases without ever seeing them, without ever consulting them, without ever prescribing any medicines to them, just by repeating these four phrases. How he did it? He cleansed his own perception of pain. Why? Because the outer world is nothing but the reflection of what is inside us. What are the four statements? I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. That's all. Just four statements. Whom are you saying sorry? I am sorry, you're telling to your own self, to your own inner self. You're saying sorry to yourself because you have attracted this. Something in me has created this pain. Something in me has attracted this pain, this situation. So you're telling sorry to yourself. And you're saying, forgive me. Why you're saying forgive me? You're telling yourself, forgive me. You're asking for inner forgiveness. You're not blaming yourself, but with awareness. I have attracted this for whatever reason. Please forgive me. And whom are you telling thank you? The third statement is thank you. You're thanking yourself for the lesson you have attracted, for the opportunity to release. You're thanking yourself. You're telling I love you to your own self, the most powerful healer of all. You don't have to know what exactly you're healing. Just trust the process, keep repeating the phrases. And these four statements will find its way and reach where your logic cannot reach. How do we practice it? You can practice Ho'oponopono anytime, anywhere. Ideally, I would suggest this is how I do it. Immediately after getting up, sitting on the bed, chant it aloud or do it silently. That's up to you. If you can chant it aloud, that's the best way. Chant 108 times. Don't do it mechanically. Don't do it by force. It has to flow through you. When these four statements, as I told you, these are not just words. These are vibrations. These are mantras. In our culture, in Indian culture, we use shlokas, right? These mantras, when chanted mechanically, it doesn't carry much energy. But when it flows through you and when it connects to you, to your heart, then the real magic starts happening. So chant 108 times in the morning, keeping your eyes closed, and not when you're doing something, not mechanically. To chant these four statements 108 times, it just takes 7-8 minutes. Okay? So chant 108 times in the morning once and 108 times in the night just before going to bed. When you're doing it in the morning, you're setting your day right. Your energy becomes balanced and you're starting the day right. And when you're doing it in the night, you're clearing all the unwanted blocks you had created during the day. It also helps in tuning your subconscious mind for a good sleep. So definitely do these 2 times. And throughout the day, when you're setting out of the house for work or school or college, chant this. Chant 3 times, 5 times, 11 times, how much ever you can. It takes about how many seconds? 20 seconds, 30 seconds? That's all it takes. Chant it. On the road, if you're stuck somewhere in the traffic, chant silently. If you're feeling upset sometime, chant this silently. If you're overwhelmed with something, chant this silently. Suddenly, if you're encountering some unpleasant situation, in some conflict, maybe in the work, maybe with the boss, maybe with somebody on the road, chant this. Chant silently. Clear your energy. When you're clearing your energy, you will suddenly see the situation outside of you is changing. You will no longer be in the clutches of that tight situation. It will help in pulling you out of the negative situation. So chant this silently. You can do it anywhere. No harm in chanting. It doesn't do any side effects. It can only help you. So make it as a practice, make it as a regular practice. Own these 4 statements as part of you and make your life more comfortable. Trust me, these 4 statements help in guarding you all the time. It works as a guardian angel for you. So own these statements and make it as part of your life. Here I want to share a story. I had worked with one of my clients who was going through terrible pain because of her broken relationship. And I had worked with her for 21 days. We both together used to do this Ho'oponopono healing. And within 4 or 5 days after we started this, she started feeling light. She started seeing a lot of changes within her. She started seeing things more positively. And more than all of that, she started sleeping well in the night. When the quality of sleep was good, and she started feeling much better in life. Naturally, healing was taking place. And within 21 days, she emerged as a new person, totally new person. And she completely came out of this problem and she started focusing again in all her other chores, her regular work, everything. She was carrying on in her regular life with a very renewed energy. What has changed in her? Has anything changed outside? Has her past changed? The situation outside had changed. Nothing had changed outside. Internally, she had cleared all the negative blocks she had created for herself because of the situation. She had cleared all of them and she started feeling light. And once again, she started feeling very good about herself. So that's all is required. You can heal yourself. You have the power to heal yourself. So own it. Make it as your companion and start using it in your day-to-day life. Now use this for next 7 days. Morning 7 minutes, before going to bed 7 minutes. Tell me in the comments what changed for you. How are you feeling because of this? Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video had brought some peace in your heart, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Healing starts from within. So share this to someone who needs these gentle words today. One phrase at a time. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. This is Meghlata reminding you, your body is speaking. Let's listen, let's heal. See you soon in next video.